Hey, it's JW with Jeep Monkey. Today I'm going to show you taking off the valve cover from that new engine that I got a couple weeks ago. I believe I used 7/16 socket, maybe an 11mm socket, I can't remember. I'll have to let you know. But usually these come up pretty easily. So here I'm removing the spark plug. I don't know if it's called a guide or I don't know. It's the plastic piece that kind of organizes the spark plug wires, and I should do a video on that and how to organize them, because a lot of the videos I see from other people's Jeeps, it's just a hot mess. Kind of looks like a rat's nest. So yeah, maybe someday I'll do a video on that. So one thing with this valve cover is it's metal, or it's steel. It's not the molded aluminum, which I think is great, because the problem with the molded ones is if you tighten the bolts too tight, it's going to crack. So, which is what I did on Project Alpha. So I had to find a new valve cover for it. In fact, I got it from a pick and pull. One thing I noticed on the back of the valve cover is it was missing a bolt, and they had used a gasket maker for the back of it. And once I pulled it off and I peeled the gasket maker off, I realized that they had broken a bolt in it. So that's something I'll have to figure out and how to get out. And here you can see I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it off, because the gasket maker is definitely working. It was really sticking. But once I got into the inside, all the rockers and springs and stuff, they looked pretty dirty. So I'm probably going to end up changing all of them out. The valve cover actually looked pretty good. So thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff.